Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have these shovel hooks, or you can use them for rakes as well, but I basically mounted it on the back of my toolbox on my trailer, and basically you have two screw holes there and two kind of hidden over there, but you kind of get the idea. So basically what you do is you basically snap that forward, pull that up, and then your shovel or rake or whatever utility piece you have is removable, and then to hook it back up, you just hook it underneath that hook right there. So basically what you're doing is that is your hook. I try to do this one-handed, but that basically goes onto this little ring right there, and then you're pulling this forward. And again, one-handed, a little difficult, but you get the idea. And then that is how that secures. And then basically just pull that forward, and then that will release that for you. Works a lot better under leverage, but that is how I mounted a shovel to my toolboxes on my trailer. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.